Today we are making one of TikTok's most popular recipes, baked feta pasta. So hey everyone, it's Jason Hill here, and yes, we're going to be making this TikTok recipe. My daughter's been telling me about it, so we're going to give it a shot, see what it's all about, see if it's worth all the rave that it's been receiving. And don't forget, if you're liking these videos, like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we make a new video. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to start with 3 cups of grape tomatoes, or you can use cherry. We're going to make a little spot in the middle for our block of feta, and it's an 8-ounce block. Now, we're going to drizzle my homemade chive oil, coat well. Try and get all those tomatoes coated as best you can. Give your casserole dish a shake. And then now we're going to add 8 cloves of sliced garlic. You can add more or less garlic, but that's a preference for you. Then I'm going to follow with, I like it spicy, so I'm doing a huge tablespoon of red pepper flakes. And then a pinch of salt from the heavens, kosher salt, sea salt. A couple of good pinches actually. Some fresh cracked pepper. And then a 1/4 cup of chopped fresh oregano. And I'm gonna hit a little more oil. Okay, I'm popping it into my preheated 350-degree oven, and it's gonna go for about 30 minutes. Oh yeah. All right, while the casserole is cooking in the oven, you're gonna wanna bring water to a boil and cook your favorite pasta that you like to use. Today I'm using the shells, and we're gonna do a pound. All right, we went about 45 minutes because I'm at a higher altitude. Let's take it out and look at that. Got a little browning on the cheese. The tomatoes are nice and soft. We're ready. All right, now we're gonna drain the pasta. And I'm gonna throw these right back in so some of the water stays in the noodles. Now this is optional, but I'm gonna go ahead and put in a couple of handfuls of chopped baby spinach. And we are going to mix this up. Wow, it smells so good. The garlic, the feta. Put in some of our pasta shells. And then lastly, fresh basil chiffonade. Let's get that pasta in there. All right, let's see if this lives up to all that TikTok hype. I'm gonna get a bite here, get some pasta, get that tomato. Oh yeah, that is so good. I'm a feta cheese fan, so can't go wrong with this. Give this recipe a try. Let us know what you think. Like, subscribe, share, notification bell. We'll see you next time. Thanks for tuning in. That is good. It is really good, guys.